And today we're going to be opening some egg surprises of trolls. They're new, so we're very happy to open them, and we also have some blind bags. So let's get started. Oh, I almost forgot. This is Poppy, our best friend. Bella, right? Her hair is so pretty. I wish we had her hair too.
Turn Sissy's hair into like Poppy's.
Whoa! Look at her hair, Bella. We look just like Poppy. Yeah. Well, now we're gonna open the blind bag.
Let me open it for you guys. Here's one.
Bella's.
Oh, I almost got the hair. Here, wait, Bella, wait for Sissy. Okay, don't wait for Sissy.
I got.
What did you get? Let me see what you got. Oh, it's so cute. And Jasmine?
I got something green. What? Does it have any eyes?
You want to open this? Okay, let's see. So yours doesn't have any eyes?
No. Can you open it?
Okay, ready? Here you go. Open it.
Let's see what's inside. I got this one.
Wow, you guys got the same one.
What?
Let me see.
It's kind of silly though.
What is this? Oh,
I
it's a
don't know.
keychain.
It's silly.
Is it cute?
Look at that face. It's silly.
It's so cute.
I got two silly ones. She got one cute one and a silly one. I got two silly ones.
Let's see.
What is up with my luck today?
Here, Bella.
Oh, it's purple and blue and what else? Oh, my hair's green, yeah. And now it's me. Oh, it's just you. Hi guys. Hi guys. Want to go? Yeah. Where do you guys want to go?
Hi, guys. Can I come play too?
You're so big. We love you.
Here you go.
I like your hair. Oh yeah. I got some flowers in my hair. Hi. Jasmine and Bella have hair just like me.
Okay, so I have a surprise for you guys.
What?
Since we're doing trolls, I got you guys the gummy trolls.
Yay! Thank you. Let's open it.
And let's see what you guys get. Here, I'll open it for you.
Yeah, it's
You
very.
want a gummy?
Yeah.
Are you gonna be a good girl?
Yes.
Let me see you count from 1 to 10. 1, go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! You did it!
I can't wait to try these yummy fruit snacks.
Here, Jasmine.
Thank you.
And open it up. And let us see.
It smells very good.
Here, Bella.
Let's see which one I got first. Oh, it's pretty sticky. Which one is this one? It shows it on the box.
I have no idea.
That one is this. Copper.
It's copper. Oh, Cooper.
Cooper.
Is it yummy? Let me see what else you got. This is a green one. Branch. Eat the branch. Is it yummy? You want to give one to your friends? You have the same one. Bring her. Let us see her.
How about the purple one?
The purple one is Guy Diamond. Does she like it?
Yes. This is like the best gummy ever.
Okay, so what do you want to tell everybody? Bella, do it with Poppy voice. Go. Say, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.
We love you.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, one more thing. Comment down below which is your favorite surprise toy or what is your favorite character from Trolls. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Say bye, Bella.
Bye,
No. No, say bye, guys.
bye. Bye.